Pull the mower off the tractor and I'm going to sharpen the blades, but I'll show you the way I do it. A lot of these people on YouTube say to use your standard bench grinder. I got a way that's gets them a little better, a little easier to control. I'll show you how. This is all you should need right here. It's just a 4.5 inch angle grinder and just a flat smooth file. See if you guys can see that. It's a Nicholson. Flat smooth. As opposed to bastard cut. Bastard cut's a little too aggressive for this. And I'll show you how I do it. This blade is pretty gnarled up. Hit a couple stumps with it or something last year, so I don't know, we'll just smooth it out. Vise helps out a lot, so you just want to put in your vise pretty ergonomical way so that you can comfortably grind the part. You just want to take a light cut off of it just to get it smooth, just to get it sharp again. Okay, now I got it ground down to pretty much the proper angle. It's a little bit sharp. There's still a little bit of burrs on it. Here's where you take your file. You just kind of clean it up. Now what I'll do is I'll just run it a couple times over this top deal right here, and then to get rid of the burr, I'll run it very gently over the back side, just to give it a proper angle. I mean, this is just an alternative method. Didn't really see anything about it on YouTube using an angle grinder. The only problem I have is with the bench grinder is that the stone takes a pretty aggressive cut out of the blade. And I mean, these things have to be balanced to spin proper and stuff. We're not building a spaceship. There's no aerospace tolerances on this thing. But, you know, I figured why not. This is pretty much just an alternative method as opposed to using a bench grinder. I know not all you guys might not have a bench grinder. I know you go to Harbor Freight, get a grinder for about $10, get a flap disc for a couple bucks. You might have a file laying around or something like that. Just an alternative to everything on YouTube. Thank you.